This is Ryan Bearman Boyd with another episode of the Bearman Boyd Show. Welcome, stay tuned, hope you learn a lot. I know you will, and thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned, and tune in more often. Guys, you gotta love nature if you want to find bears. Trees, leaves, the birds, the bees, everything under the sun. That happens too much. Fact, if you want to climb trees, you gotta have trim exterior branches with your body weight and climb. It's as simple as that. I don't know how to... Simple enough. Easy as pie. Everybody poops, and bears are no exception. What we have here is a bare bottom cleaning station, and this is where we clean bear poop here. All right, we have a question from Emily Collins in Warner Robins, Georgia. Thanks for being a fan. Bearman Boyd, what question do you get asked the most? Well, as an expert on a subject, bears, I get asked a lot of questions. The most asked question, a lot of people come to me and they say, Bearman Boyd, what a beautiful beard you have. And to that I answer, thank you. Thank you so much. A lot of work goes into this beard. It doesn't just grow out of nowhere, you know. I mean, a lot of protein. You are what you eat. It's protein laden, very proteinated hair. I eat a lot of steak, not bear steak. Bear steak's wrong. You don't eat bear. You have a mustache. I love having facial hair. No one's ever gonna take it from me. This thing's staying for life. It's like joining the gang. You're in for life. This ain't going anywhere. Okay? I've been working on this beard for at least 7 years, and it's here to stay. I love it. I like it. I love it. I love it. I like it. It's not going anywhere. It's just gonna get longer. It's going somewhere. It's going to go further and further down. Update. My girlfriend made me shave. So that's my answer to that question. I have to say it a lot. It gets asked a lot. Thanks, Emily Collins, for that. Pop quiz. You're walking into a cave. You smell a bear. He's sleeping. What do? A. Love it. B. Hate it. Or C. I don't. It's love it. That's the answer. It's love. What a great show. You've learned a lot. You know a lot already, but you know even more now. Stay tuned. Get to know me. You already do. What am I talking about? Stay tuned. Watch me. Know me. Stay tuned. You're going to learn a lot. Stay tuned. Watch it. Love it. Learn it. Nature's awesome. Bears are even better. Bearman Boyd signing out. Bada boom. It's time for the bear rap. Hope no one's watching me here. I love bears, don't you know? Gotta have some.